Ever dreamt of ditching your desk phone and managing calls seamlessly from your laptop or smartphone? Cloud-based phone systems like RingCentral MVP promise that dream, but for many small businesses, the reality feels more like a frustrating maze. Limited features, confusing pricing structures, and a lack of flexibility can leave you feeling stuck. So, what are your options? Is there a cloud-based communication solution that offers the freedom and functionality you crave without the RingCentral MVP drawbacks? Absolutely. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of RingCentral MVP alternatives, exploring some of the best options on the market for growing businesses. We'll break down key features, pricing considerations, and what makes each platform stand out. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to identify the perfect RingCentral MVP alternative to empower your team's communication and take your business to the next level. The RingCentral MVP conundrum. Let's face it, RingCentral MVP is a solid solution for basic functionalities. You can make and receive calls, manage voicemail, and even leverage features like auto attendance. However, for businesses with even moderate needs, the limitations become apparent. Maybe you need video conferencing capabilities to connect with remote teams and clients. Perhaps seamless CRM integration is crucial for streamlining your sales pipeline. Or maybe international calling is a vital aspect of your operations, and RingCentral MVP's pricing structure doesn't quite fit the bill. These are just a few examples, and the bottom line is, RingCentral MVP can feel restrictive as your business grows. So, what alternatives offer the features and flexibility you deserve? The contenders. Unveiling RingCentral MVP alternatives. The good news is the market boasts a vibrant array of RingCentral MVP alternatives, each catering to specific needs and budgets. Let's explore some of the top contenders. Nextiva. A well-rounded competitor, Nextiva offers a comprehensive suite of features that goes beyond basic call functionalities. Think video conferencing, robust CRM integrations, and international calling options at competitive rates. Nextiva caters well to businesses seeking a one-stop shop for communication needs. Vonage. If customization is your priority, Vonage shines. Their platform allows for in-depth workflow automation, perfect for businesses with unique communication needs. While feature-rich, Vonage might have a steeper learning curve compared to some competitors. Dialpad. This AI-powered platform brings a modern twist to business communication. Dialpad boasts exceptional call quality, real-time transcriptions, and advanced analytics to empower data-driven decision-making. Ideal for businesses seeking a future-proof solution with a focus on intelligent features. Beyond the big names. Uncovering hidden gems. Our exploration doesn't end there. Here are some hidden gems worth considering. Grasshopper. Perfect for solopreneurs or micro-businesses, Grasshopper offers a stripped-down yet user-friendly solution. It's incredibly affordable and focuses on core call management features for those who don't require a feature overload. Uma Office. Another budget-friendly option, Uma Office provides excellent call quality and basic functionalities at a competitive price point. It's a solid choice for small businesses prioritizing affordability. Choosing your perfect match. Key considerations. Now that you've met some potential contenders, how do you pick the right RingCentral MVP alternative? Here's a roadmap to guide your decision. Identify your needs. Start by assessing your business's communication needs. Do you prioritize video conferencing, international calling, CRM integration? Understanding your essential features will help narrow your options. Consider scalability. Think about your growth trajectory. Will your communication needs evolve in the coming years? Choose a platform that scales effectively alongside your business. Budgeting wisely. Don't get lost in a pricing maze. Compare plans, hidden fees, and per-user costs to find a solution that fits your budget without compromising functionality. User-friendliness. A platform brimming with features is useless if your team struggles to navigate it. Look for solutions with intuitive interfaces and readily available customer support. By exploring RingCentral MVP alternatives and carefully considering your needs, you'll unlock a world of communication possibilities. Remember, the perfect platform empowers your team's collaboration, streamlines workflows, and ultimately propels your business forward. So, Do your research, explore these alternatives, and don't settle for limitations. Take control of your communication and unlock the full potential of your team's collaboration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,